Good morning. Well, it's like noon, but I'm here in Xilitla, and I dropped my clothes yesterday at this laundry, Lavanderia Jimena, and they said that they will have my clothes ready today about between 9 and 10 a.m. And it's noon, and there's nobody around. I've been chasing the owner all over town, and I finally found somebody who knows the guy who owns the laundry. And they just called him, and he said that he will be here in about an hour. So tomorrow is Sunday, so if I don't get the guy today and I don't get my clothes today, I'm gonna have to get a hotel until Monday. So wish me luck. Still fun, still pretty town. It's pretty foggy. Look at that.